Hello, my name is Joe McNally. I attended College na Firste in West Belfast. I attended College na Marhorty Gaeltacht for 7 years. The best thing about Gaeltacht is the relationships that you find there. They're all founded through the medium of Irish, and that really helps when you're trying to become comfortable in speaking Irish with one another or your friends. I chose GCSE Irish because the language itself is very important to me. I was raised with Irish. Although having already done GCSE Irish, I can say that it was very enjoyable adding to my Irish speaking skills. I think it's important to have Irish because you can't truly experience life as an Irishman or as an Irish woman without knowing the language, and the language itself is deeply linked to the country's history. I think I'm currently studying Irish in McGee, Derry, and I'm working in College na Firste. The best thing about learning or having Irish is learning about the struggle that our parents, our grandparents, and people for hundreds of years have been going through for us to have the right to speak Irish, and knowing and learning about that gives you a real sense of pride in speaking the language. And my favourite Irish language proverb is you'd rather speak broken Irish than well spoken English.